hands. The straps are across your hands. Bring your hands to the side. Good.
Oh my God! These are the pad them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, we're gonna cross the highway underneath though in the tunnel part area to get to the roast yam. Hey y'all, I am experiencing my first power outage since living in Jamaica. Lights go out multiple times before, but the backup generator usually chip in real fast, like it will just go in out, you know, or out in. But this time it's been a couple minutes and I've been seeing a backup generator. Come in, like it's been a goodly like 10 minutes now, and I'm like, hello. And I was like, okay, well, this is an experience. It's been 3 months since I've been living here, and it's the first time I'm experiencing a power outage. Vlog this. You know, if we didn't have a backup generator in my apartment complex, I can only imagine how many times I would have experienced this, or in the past when I was living here. Lord knows how many times I've experienced this. But I'm like a battery operated light. Let me show you. It's nothing fancy. It's like a light that I use. It's battery operated. Hopefully the battery. Alright, so it's battery operated. So but did I say hopefully the battery is full. And I guess I'll keep you guys posted on how long. So it go at 10 minutes ago. Let me see. All right, it's 7:17 now. Let me walk with my lamp. It's 7:17 now. So let's say it's 7:07. Pardon me, it's 7:07. So let's say it went away at 7 o'clock. All right, let's put 7 o'clock on the dot. I am going to keep you guys posted on how long I'm in the dark for, and like no lie, it's kind of hot. it's kind of hot. I'm about to go sit down on my patio because come on now. All right, I'm sitting outside with lights from my phone, my flashlight. It's now 7:10, I think. 7:11, so let's say 11 minutes. Let's say it's 11. All right, so it is 7:23 now, and I came inside because I'm like, what the hell? Funny enough, I'm supposed to be going out. Maybe this is the Lord's way of telling me, child, sit down. I was supposed to go out, and I was literally supposed to get up at like around 6 o'clock to get ready. And I was like, let me rest a little bit more. And no, I can't get ready. With that lamp thingy that I have on my phone flashlight, those are the only two lights that I have. I was told to be ready by 8. Maybe that's the Lord's way of telling me, girl, tanaya Yaad. Listen, I'm listening. You don't have to tell me twice, Lord. When you know me, I do not like going outside anyways, especially at night, plus light gone. Lord, you don't have to tell me twice. If light not come back by 7:30, I'm not gonna win. Because I would have to get ready. It's not somewhere that I can just drag on something. It's like a nice, fancy, nice dinner. I have to do nice makeup and them some there. So 7:24 now, so we will see. I remember when I was like, if the lights don't come back on at 7:30, I'm not going. Guess what time the lights came back on? Oh my gosh. So I guess it's time to get ready. But that was the experience of my first power outage in Jamaica. Well, power outage without a backup generator. Good morning. So we are currently in we are currently in Clarendon, but we're heading to St. Elizabeth for a random country run. You guys know, oh, we love that already. We're gonna have roast fish in Treasure Beach. So this will be an exciting vlog. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys love content like this. One thing about Jamaica, them random country run here, nice. underneath though in the tunnel part area to get to the roast yam. So we're on the east-west highway. I think we're still in Clarendon, heading towards Ochi. No, heading towards St. Elizabeth. So that's where we're trying to get to. So if you are heading, so what this would have been now? So north, south, east, west. So Jamaica, the right is just a north, south, east, west. So if you're heading west, because we're heading west, right? So if you're heading west on the highway and you want to get over to where them roast the yam, Melrose.
Melrose Hill.
Belrose?
Melrose.
Melrose Hill. So this is Ochi. This is where you go. To show people. Can you imagine I walk under the road? Oh, lighting. Okay. So right now we're under the road. The car is above us. Oh, we're out on the other side, just like that. So that's where we were over there, sir. Wow. Morning. And just like that, guys, we crossed the highway. That is, so if you don't ever know, and I leave it in the comment section if you don't ever did know about this underground pathway. I what the underground something where the woman did bring people pan? The underground tunnel. What the slave lady? What's her name again?
Yeah.
Which slave lady? There are people underground.
The underground tunnel where the slave lady did
Jamaica?
No man.
I'm not Palmer, no.
No man, I'm not Jamaica.
I'm not Jamaica.
Oh, the Jewish something.
What?
I promise, guys, we went to school. I threw too early.
No.
So we're here at Melrose Yam Park in Manchester. They look like them. You can come out here, you can get your yam, and you can sit down and eat. And it's like a little bathroom side just so. It seems like they keep events out here too sometimes. I think these are like little bars. Yeah, each of them are like little bars. So it must be a vibe out here. You grab your food, you get your liquor. I'm pretty sure DJ set up out here because everywhere dance keep at Jamaica.
Yeah.
The breadfruit.
Potato. And the yellow yam.
Nice. Authentic. I say it nice, you know. And yes, the starfish shop too, yeah. Stop by and check Miss Marie. Out here. Shop number 1. Shop number 1. So you don't have to walk far. First shop.
Hot chocolate.
Yes. Hot chocolate for the morning. Yes. These are sweet peppers. I really want. These are sweet peppers, right? Huh?
Oh, it's a sweet pepper.
That's sweet pepper.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, sweet pepper.
Oh, I want pants. Some of But
And these are the tomato.
can I plant them in a pot?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
And this is mango.
Oh.
And this is pigeon pea.
Okay.
Otherwise called gungu.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the aishent. This is marijuana
Oh.
herb.
I'm here thinking it's something. It's
Marijuana, but it's
oh.
and this is sweet sop.
This is sweet sop.
Sweet sop.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Support.
And this is pepper.
Sweet pepper.
Oh, the same as that. Okay. All right, guys. So we're heading back over under the tunnel where Harriet Tubman, because we went to school. Look what burial card. Wow. Pigeon pea, aka gungo. See, some dry gungo there. It was dead. Oh.
These are not.
A bug is on the tree.
Oh.
These rats.
Yeah, they're too long.
Interesting. And just like that, we're back on the other side. That's the way I come from. That's funny.
Tell me why you're crying, I couldn't pick you. When you gave me something I don't really feel. But you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Can't you see me on the edge? I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now about what you do me clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you.
You're the cool. In Thai? Oh. This is hog plum. Cover. Thank you. Just so my talk, you drive by, you find a fruit tree, you just climb it. And that is it.
Oh.
Come on. So we just done raid the plum tree. That is it. So that one you're more loaded. But the leaf them look different. No, oh, a two tree in one, that's fine. Yeah, man, the one you're way more loaded. Which this one is ripe. So look on the one that up there, them red one there, but them tall, them too high. And just like that, we're not hungry no more. I'm not gonna close there. So two of them, let's them a gang me up.
up there, you know. It's not probably
Yeah, the one. Wow, look at guys, let's take a look at how peanut bear morning. Alright, the peanut them here. So this are the peanuts?
This is a peanut, yeah.
yeah.
And see how the beer and the dirt here.
Okay.
These are the pod them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I never know that.
Yes, man.
So you just pick it up and it's
Yeah.
so,
Yeah. Them don't ready as it.
Then I'm ready.
Oh. Oh,
Then
okay,
you see the green
okay.
and knock them inside of them white.
Yeah,
Right, yeah.
yeah.
So these are ready yet, you know?
So how you know when them ready before?
They leave them and leave them start get brown.
Okay, okay.
Alright, but they can start get brown.
So all of this right here peanuts.
Yeah.
Wow.
So me plant the front piece out I get come right here.
Yeah.
Like them here one here now. You can see them start shade leaf underneath the bottom.
Okay.
These are the brown leaf them underneath the bottom.
Oh,
So that I will show you say then start develop.
yeah.
See there.
Okay.
Then you develop.
Yeah.
But if you pop it, open it like this,
Oh, they're brown. Okay.
they are brown.
Yes. Okay, that's good.
Yeah. So this one ready now. All of them we soon ready by Monday. Yeah. But
See, this one different color than
different color.
Yeah. So,
Different color.
Okay.
So they got the brown spot them they not using so they start ready.
Okay.
And you can see the difference of this now inside.
Yeah. The other one.
This is the
that's
dry.
enough. This one now here.
Is the green one same way.
Green one, it fits still, but you know.
And it's harder for crack.
Yeah, harder for
because
crack,
it
yeah.
Okay. We're learning as well. I want to know.
No, but this one.
No, that
The
one.
peeler.
Yeah.
Yeah, green.
Yeah.
Green,
yeah.
that's a green.
Is that the city name Lashings? The town?
No.
Yeah. So we're at Lashings. Look at the beautiful view behind. They use all the sticks to decor and even for the door. This is nice, man. Lashings. So this is no longer a restaurant, it's just a hotel now. But Mama showing now. Oh, it's have a tree top bar. A gym? What? All the way up? Oh. Oh, look at this. It's good living fitness. Uh-huh. It's like a tree house. What the door?
Oh, then the gym now.
Yeah. Oh, so they moved the dining area. I'm sure now. It's a gym section. This used to be the dining area. So this is just a hotel now. This is nice. Look at the view. All if I'm up here saying all I need is 2 water crackers and a cup of tea. What's that? No, this is nice. This is nice. And I have a pool. over there. So this is like a little hotel area. This nice, this nice. This is in Trelawney. No, not Trelawney. Hear me, Trelawney, that's on my mind. This is in St. Elizabeth. No man, this nice. So the restaurant used to be up there, so but they moved the restaurant and put it. Look on the pool. They make some art out of beer bottle. This is nice. Hello. I'm at the pool. Almost an infinity. Pool, relaxed section. You have the view. Speaker out there, so because of course dance would I keep one day. The reception, pickups bar, big bamboo and gym. This is nice. It's only food and drink purchased on this property. Oh my, yeah man, this nice. This is nice. This nice man, this nice. And for the middle of July, and it's so windy and cool, it's not as hot. So imagine when it's in like springtime. Oh my lordy. It's nice. So this is the part where you were saying it's romantic. It's a romantic Lashings boutique hotel. All right guys, so because they moved, we suspect that they moved the restaurant because of Beryl, because remember outside the Hurricane Beryl last year, it hit St. Elizabeth real bad. So we head into Alligator Pond now, which is another restaurant. Yes. Also the shape I heard this one. Alligator.
Yeah.
So we're outside at Alligator Pond. It's windy down here, of course, because it's close to the ocean. But it's nice. What are they? Okay. So is it like Elsa here? Okay.
Except there's a fishing. More fishing
Than Elsa. Yeah. Oh really? Cause it, yeah. Yeah.
You see it?
Welcome to Oswald Seafood.
What's it again?
Oswald Seafood. Welcome to Oswald Seafood.
And where is this?
Alligator Pond on Chester. night at the beach
Oh, see there as well seafood.
where you can pick, choose, and refuse.
Oh, nice.
Sorry. Not sure. So 3, small size.
Oh, the infant in the sauce. Yes. Oh, you order and pay in there? Oh. Oh, but you must swim in brave. But you must can swim.
Thank you very much.
This is jerk fish, guys. Jerk fish and mozzarella there.
Well, yeah.
Can get the festival. Oh. Here, 3 festival, the jerk fish, 2 bami, and a sorrel beer. And a view. That is all you need in a life.
I'm telling you, be careful who wants
How long wait long this? No, not as long as not shorter than I thought.
That's enough. You know what I'm seeing? Something like
You know what? I think that would be nice with a jerk lobster.
oh.
It's like, but. This is it. One half. Half a fish done. Also, it's one of the sweetest parts of the fish here. Yeah. The fish pot. Supper. I don't have it in me. 4 festival, 2 banning, 3/4. No. Did I say 3/4 of fish? Did I say half of fish? No, but I said a little bit more than half. 2/3, yeah. Guys, you know I don't eat a lot.
Stop the cap.
They're standing in the boat. Yeah, and look at the water rough. Watch them. This was good, guys. This was good. Definitely recommend. What name again? Oswald. Oswald at Alligator Pond in Oswald Restaurant and Bar in Manchester, right at the border of Manchester and St. Elizabeth. So it's so funny because Lover's Leap is right over the sun. You can see Lover's Leap from here. Remember in a couple vlogs ago we went to Lover's Leap. That's in St. Elizabeth, and we can actually see it. And we're in Manchester. That's me saying Kingston over there, so. Geography. You know what? It's nice though. When I turn life, you know, come here, get the jerkfish and the festival. I'm not saying alive.
Irish stripe beer.
And Irish stripe. And if I not hold me right, so. What is it? Oh no, it's blurred. It's fine. If I not hold me right, so. That is it. I need nothing in this life, nothing else in this life.
You didn't realize they have to be. Okay, you didn't realize that man actually got
No, me outside. Yeah, some girls there.
Auto sales and seafood, the 6-in-1. Alright. Oh, so this is where the birds get their meal. Oh, them sugar good.
Brother, wow.
What is Kalaloo? This is nice. What you win them? It wouldn't be a country run if we never stop and get jelly. This is where we are. I think Mandeville still. I'm not seeing a sign. But right to say, if you know right to say, you know it. The jelly man. Yeah. Yeah. How much is the jelly? Okay. Soup? Oh. Soup. Ooh, oh, these are cold jelly?
Yeah. Oh, but I'm not cold. Snap me.
Yes, thank you.
Who's giving us the jelly now?
Jerky from Goras.
Jerky from Qatar.
Denton.
Denton?
Yeah.
We sell the coconut jelly.
Yeah.
Yes.
Jerk chicken and soup.
Okay. Where area is this?
Goras.
Gutters? Okay. So come out to Gutters, guys. So you have the jelly, the jerk chicken and soup. So you have appetizer. No, this is a dessert. Appetizer and entree. Huh? Out of gutters. Nice and refreshing. Mm-hmm. Mm.
Open yours.
Yes, please. Thank you. Thanks. Ooh, look how much come up. Yes. Mm. You never get no meat? This is life. Good morning. So it is the next day and I'm at Cafe Blue getting some work done. And I wanted the Roman raisin. I saw that they had like a Roman raisin frappe thingy. But she said they're ultra raisins. So I got the caramel salty, which me and caramel, my neighbor shouldn't put on the caramel. So I'm excited to try that. The odd thing about it though, like their drinks have liquor in it. Their drinks have liquor. So I'm like, wait, what? Starbucks and stuff when it came up. But I'm excited to try that. I think I'm gonna try each item on their list. So I got the croissant with jam and this caramel thing. I asked her what was her second favorite because her first favorite was condensed milk. It's good. So I did ask because when I never have the Roman raisin, I asked her what's her favorite and she was like, something she said, I don't remember what she said, but then she was like, it is coffee, condensed milk, and what's a whipped cream or something. I said, seriously? Somebody had the salted caramel frappuccino. My go-to drink, my go-to frap at Starbucks is a caramel frappuccino, extra caramel. This tastes similar to it. I think I like this one better though. Recording in real time, editing in real time. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Morning, y'all. It is the next day. Today is Saturday. And guys, I'm gonna tell you, I really need to get back into my fitness journey. Like, it is getting out of hand. Like, not only am I not working out as much, if you know me, you know I love working out. I live in the gym. Not only am I not working out as much, but then like my eating habits. And I feel like I've been saying this in like every single video, but oh, must stop my diet, but no, I need to do a good flush. I don't want to call it detox because, you know, I don't believe in empties there, but like, you know, a good, like both mentally and physically, just like a fast, you know, like a reset and then and get back into it. I'm also thinking of doing like fitness vlogs and them things there. Cause like for motivation, I like to watch gym vlogs. And I notice whenever I search gym vlogs on like YouTube, it's always the same 5 girls, and one of them, one black and one half black. Always a pop up. The same girl and always a pop up. And based on their videos and their personality, they don't gravitate to me. They don't. Like, they have this like very, I don't know, that's just a personality that I know like we wouldn't be friends. And you know, sometimes you watch a vlog, you want somebody who you can be like, yes, we will be friends before we watch them. Like if I go watch a vlogger, like there have to be like a possibility where it's like, yeah, if we had known each other in real life, we would be friends. Now that I'm into vlogging and them things since this channel, I think I'm gonna incorporate my gym vlogs in it. I don't really like recording when I'm at the gym though, but I noticed that the gym I went to, the gym I had signed up for, so many people in there recording and them things there. Maybe if I ease myself into it, but then also it's not just going to the gym, but going to like boot camps and going to, you know, when I climb Mountain Spring and like when I go for a run, little things like that. I want to focus a little bit more on my fitness journey because I have to get it together. Yeah, I have to get it together. So I went to Super Values yesterday and I found this. And you know, I just had to pick it up because you know the nutrients, the benefits are sea moss, and this is sea moss, sorrel, and ginger juice. And when I read the ingredients say sea moss, spring water, sorrel, ginger root, monk fruit extract, less than 2% potassium. And yes, it is a product of Jamaica. The only little concern is their expiration date at 12/25, and I'm like, why is it lasting so long? Should it last this long? But I don't know. Well, I mean, I guess because you can put sorrel in the fridge for like forever, and same with ginger. I don't know about sea moss though. But I see it and I say I want to give it a try. It's not something that I can afford to drink on the regular because it was like 1,200 and something. I almost told the woman to take it off, and put it back. But I was like, nah, I do want to give it a try. Plus, I feel like, dang, that's why it lasts a lot. I need to, speaking of getting back into the gym. No, sir. What was I saying? I feel like if I'm gonna purchase sea moss, I would rather purchase it from like a local person that, you know, than buying it in the stores. Although technically when you purchase things in the store, you still support local people. But you know what I'm saying, like a street vendor, somebody who have the links for put them things in a store. Yeah. No, sir. That's why the preservative, that's why it lasts so long. Alright, we finally get it open. Yeah, muscles. Alright, let's see. That's healthy. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, this healthy. Yeah, man. This healthy. This healthy. Miss one can't drink this. It's healthy. Them never done like this healthy. I might have to stop my breath and drink it. But anyways, guys, I have no idea what I'm getting into today. I feel like I want to get into something. I want to get into something fitness related though. If it was earlier, because it's 9:30 now, if it was earlier, I would have probably tried to find like a boot camp class or something. But most boot camp class starts at like 6 and them time there, so I don't know. I think the last boot camp class will start at 10 and it's 9:30 now. If I'm gonna find it by time I reach the class I done. So I don't know what I'm getting into today, but anything I get into, I will keep you guys posted. Morning, guys. It is Sunday. So remember yesterday when I showed the drink, the sorrel sea moss ginger drink? It's very healthy, okay? Because remember when I was like, oh, I want a good proper washout, I want like, you know, a fresh start. The drink heard me and was like, say less. Say less. I actually signed up for a Pilates class yesterday. But when I said that I wait, I just feel a feeling. I'm gonna say wait little. Guys, I will spare you guys the detail, but just know so if you're not gonna drink that, don't have no plans. Stay in close proximity to your toilet. And don't have no plans for the rest of the day. Just yeah. That drink there, nice and proper, great washout, crisp and clean, power pressure washout. So I had to switch my Pilates class to today. I don't feel 100% confident because if you don't know when I do Pilates, you know, you can't tense up. All the muscles them have to free up. So anything will come out and go come out. So like I don't feel as confident to do Pilates, but I'm just pray and hope God, because I did already cancel the class yesterday and push it to today. And I don't want to call it back and be like, you can cancel it again, you know. So I guess we'll find out. I will keep you guys posted on how Pilates goes. I'm gonna wear black. No, I'm gonna change my pants. So I'm gonna green pants now. I'm gonna change it and put on a nice like a black pants with some padding and some, you know, some firmness, so we can catch. Y'all, listen, yesterday was an experience. When I tell you that drink, exactly what I said, oh, I want, that drink said, say no more, I got you. But let's also go to Pilates. Yeah, this is my first time ever doing Pilates, so I'm super excited for it. It was like $3,000 per class, so it turned out to like a little over $18. For unlimited sessions for the month, though, it's $30,000. So I don't know. Plus, I don't think, I've never done Pilates, so but based on videos, I know it's difficult. People say it's more difficult than it looks, but I'm a weight lifter. Like I like lifting weights, so if I'm gonna invest all of that for unlimited Pilates classes, I still gonna also want to go to the gym. So I think I just gonna do it as something I do like once or twice. Once or twice a month, or probably once a week. I don't know. We'll decide. But let us go to Pilates, guys. Let's see how this goes. All right, guys. So I just reached. It's like a residential area. It literally looks like a home. I'm gonna show you now. See that? Like you see, it's like in the neighborhood. For those of us who've been doing this for a while, you're welcome to add more resistance.
So this leg stays on, right? Push off with this leg. I'm going to switch you. Everybody continue. You do the other leg. Do the other leg, guys. Completely on the side to completely isolate the glutes and the hamstring after the leg that you're working. We're going to reach behind us and pick up our straps. We're going to pick up our long straps. Both of them. Yes, both of them. And you're going to have the straps across the palm of your hands like this. Okay. For this first exercise, we're going to do what is called like offering, which is you are going to bend your elbows like this, and then you are going to extend it forward like you have a tree, like you're giving somebody something. So, how does that feel for you? You want to come right up here, you want to come down. Alright, so the first one is like an offer, and then for the other variation now, you are going to tilt forward at a 45-degree angle like this. And then you're going to bring your arms to your head like you're saluting with the straps across the palm of your hands. Like so bring your hand to your head like this, good. Lean forward like you're about to take a dive. And then press the arms out like this and bring it back to start it. Remember that when you're doing this, you're pulling your body weight close to resistance. I'm going to take off. Which one I can take off? So you're staying up like that, and you are tilting forward at a 45-degree, and your hands, the straps are across your hands. Bring your hands to the side. Good.
Shame like a dog.
Okay. Yes, so you see for this one, stay up in the Z, don't go forward. That's why you have to be in the Z, or you will go forward, okay? So no, so stay in the Z. Good. So keep your hands at the side. Just do the best that you can in this flat. So press out. Press your head all the way out. There you go. So both stretch out in the chant. So when you're coming in, then you put your butt into the ceiling. Just doing 10 of them. Very good. Very good. Very far. One chicken out. Your feet are on the platform. Good. Now, come up with your butt to ceiling. Very good. Do the best you can. Keep your feet there for balance. There we go. Good, yeah. And then the last core one for today is we are kneeling on the platform. The knees is what you do with the work. Because that means that you're using your core. So it's neutral spine or a little bit of an arch. We're just doing some of these guys and then we're done. Unless you want to challenge yourself a little. Anybody want to challenge yourself a little bit and try to do it with one leg? You sure? Yeah, so if you stick a leg behind you, you feel the engagement more than before. Stick the leg out straight, make it straight. There you go. Stick the leg out straight, make it. Stick the leg out straight behind you. Feel that? Full 360, very good. Good. So wide leg circles. Good. And then after you do 10 of those, and you're going to reverse the order of the leg circles. Just be mindful, find a rhythm so that you and the person next to you are not colliding. And reverse the order. Straight. Can you straighten your legs? Straighten your legs. So, bring them up, bring them up. And then push out at a 45-degree angle. Something like this. If you can't do this, you can do it. And bring them into your chest. You're working the inner thighs. Then push out like yes. Still a bit kissing? Yes. Good. Working the inner thighs. Good. And I'm sitting back into a stretch like this. And then I'm just going to pulse down, and then I'm coming forward on my tippy toe, and then I'm bending on the heel, going back down on the heel, coming up on the tippy toe. And then one more, when we go down, we have the option of also coming up like this, or you come up like this. You guys can choose how you want it, okay? So, forward. So go back on the heel, come forward on your tippy toe, go up on your toe when you come. So like that. Go back now. Take the heel off. Take the knee off. When you're on the carriage, the knee comes up off the carriage. Okay? Go down. It goes off the ground. We're just on the heel. Yes. And then come back forward and tip upward. Good. So you're alternating between the heel and the toe. That's one option. The other one is when you come up, lift the foot up entirely. Lift the foot that's on the ground entirely. If you want. And then when you're done, just come just sitting on the carriage. Straddle in the carriage and hold it on to your foot bar. Tilt your hip line, tilt your core in, tilt your hip, and then drop your shoulder, hold on to your foot bar, and use your bottom to push the carriage back into child's pose, push the carriage back, let the feet hover if you can, and then bring the carriage in slowly, and you unfold yourself as the carriage comes in. Good. Round your spine, push the carriage back again, we're doing 3 of them. Do a complete 360 rotation of the neck. One direction, and then reverse the order. Take your right hand, reach across your body as if you're trying to grab your left shoulder block, and then do it for the other side. Yeah. And then put your hands back on, just close your eyes for a second, and just take a deep inhale, fill your lungs. good? Alright. It's so bad. Yeah.
I mean, that was actually pretty good. Besides from the scene I'm almost drop. Yeah. That was actually pretty good. This is something I definitely can do at least once or twice a week. Alright, y'all, I'm back home. Yeah, man. As I said, it's definitely something I think I'll incorporate in my workouts so that way I don't get bored, you know? Like diversity. I want to find a yoga class. If anybody know any yoga class, let me know. So I think I'll do weight training, Pilates, and yoga. Pilates 1 day a week, yoga 1 day a week, weight training 4 day a week. You know, I mean, Pilates don't come in like a rest day, honestly. Like, although granted this was a fundamental class, it was a basic like beginners class. So I don't know if like I up the class. Well, definitely know if I up the class, because there are some things when I see she have in the room or we never use. So I say like, okay, them there for the professionals. But as I go and take a little bit of this fundamental class, I can probably up it. But no, that's something I'm not gonna lie. I would recommend. I know one of my cousins said she wanna try it. I will bring her with me the next time. But anyways, y'all, that is that for that. I'm gonna end out the vlog right here. I wanna big up on yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sitting through. We did a lot in this vlog. Went to Saint Elizabeth, which is nice. Guys, the video I post on TikTok about the underground crossing. Mama show you. Video I post about the underground crossing have 155,000 views. And the video I post about the curry goat, Kangaroo goat, have 134. Look at me, go find out on TikTok. Look at me, and come talk to me nicely. Anyways, y'all, big up on yourself. Thank you so much for rocking with the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next time. Take care, y'all.
Jamaica, Jamaica, hey. Jamaica, Jamaica, hey. Jamaica, Jamaica, hey. Jamaica, Jamaica.